Hello friends, myself Rahul. Today we will learn Python download and Jupyter Notebook installation. So let's start. First we'll go to Google and we will write here Python, and then on clicking Python we will find python.org, and here we will find downloads. When we click here, the page will open and will show us the download Python 3.10.7. This is for Windows. As I am using Windows, so I click here. After clicking, it will start download, and after completing, click on this. It will show install now, but remember one thing, tick on this part, add Python 3.10 to path. Okay, then install now. Wait for installation to complete. Have a cup of coffee and wait. It will take few minutes according to your system configuration. It is completed. Now I will close this one. After completing this, I will close this one and I go to here. I will write cmd and command prompt will open. In this command, if we need to check that our Python is installed or not, so I will write Python and dash version. So it will giving 3.10.7, so our Python is installed. Now what we have to do? We have to install Jupyter Notebook. I am preferring Jupyter Notebook because this is very flexible and we can run code line by line. So I am personally preferring this. You can use Visual Code also, PyCharm also. So I am installing Jupyter Notebook installation. So I will show you how to install. Please do as I am doing. First write here Python gap, then dash m pip install Jupyter. Click enter. Now as I have already installed my Jupyter, so it is showing already satisfied. Now it is installed. When it is not installed in your system, then it will showing a loading. It will show some loading and it will install in after some time, but make sure that your internet connection is on. Take care of this internet connection. So now after this, I will go to the directory where I have to make file. So I will go to my folder where I want to save my file. So I will go my folder Python, and I will copy this path. Double click here, Control C. Then I will go back to command prompt here, and I will write cd /d, and then copy the path, enter. So I am in my folder now, and here I will write Jupyter dash notebook. It will take some time. Now it is showing and it is opening some page. So this page is now Jupyter Notebook. We have opened our Jupyter Notebook. Now as in this folder, I show you, in this folder I have only one file, so it is showing in my Jupyter, like it is running on my Explorer, so it is showing one file here. So now we will understand the interface of Jupyter Notebook. Like this, we will click here for new file and we will go to Python 3 new IPY kernel. This interface thing must be new for someone, or if someone is using, so they must be aware. So if we click outside this, it will be blue color. If we click on inside this, it will be green color. When we are going to add some cells, then if we are adding some cells or some shortcut we are using, then we have to click here and we have to check that this color is blue. There are some shortcuts. I will update you the interface. The file, there is file, we can open new book, make copy, we save, rename, we can do here. This is edit, this can be used like cut cell, copy cell. These are the cells, like we are clicking this, these are the cells. So we can add, delete cell, add cell, like this, merge cell above. These are cells when we are doing programming. We will run our program and we have to insert the cells up, down, then we can use these options. This is view option, insert, insert cell above. This is a shortcut key A and B. Like I want to insert cell below, so I will do B, so it will insert new cell like this. We can do up down these cells, it will go up and down, insert new cell. This is for running the code. We can use shift enter to run code. Shift enter will do two things. First, it will run our code and it will insert one new line. So this is about the interface of Jupyter. You want to change the file name, then you have to click here and you have to give the name, like we are giving some name XYZ, and we can rename. So now this is saved here. This is automatically saved, so you need not to save every time. But if you are closing this workbook, then you have to save this workbook by clicking Ctrl and S. This will save the workbook. So this is all about the Jupyter Notebook interface and Python installation. In next part onwards, we will learn about the coding, and we will start from variable. So thank you.